Okay, so we have already seen that how we can create the remarketing audiences. Now there is another option for creating custom audiences within Google Ads platform. So here, like, we created the remarketing audiences, and I have already explained this in another video. Now if you want to create custom audiences, just go to custom audiences and click this plus addition symbol. Now suppose if we want to create a custom audience of people interested in short sale services, then what I'll do is, first of all, I'll give this particular audience a name. Then I'll name it people interested in short sale services. So this is my audience name, so that I can locate this particular custom audience anytime whenever I want to target them. Now there are two options available here: people with any of the interest or purchase intentions, people who searched for any of these terms on Google. So now out of these you can select any of the options. Okay, here what you need to do is, so I'll select this first option only, and now I'll try to find the keywords which my target audience would be using, or the interest that they're having. So I'm writing here short sale. Okay, so Google is giving me different interests that are shown by people. So I'll choose. Now see, I want to choose people who are, your target audience should be clear to you. First of all, you suppose for short sale services, I am looking for audiences that are looking to short sale their home, not short sale, not buying the short sale home. I don't want people, I don't want the buyers, I want to target the sellers. So let's go each of these queries one by one. First is short sale houses for sale near me. Now this query will be used by a buyer, not a seller, so I'll not use it. Real estate agent specializing in short sales. So this is good, because a person who is looking to sell their home in short sales, they'll be looking for real estate agents specializing in that service. Now next is short sale homes for sale. Now this is again, this query will be used by buyers and not sellers. I want the seller queries. What is short sale in real estate? Now this query is very broad query, and I'm not sure that people looking like who having the interest in this type of query or this type of search term or this type of keyword would be interested in actually going or taking the short sale services, because this is a normal informational query. So what is short sale in real estate? Again, I don't want to hit to get clicks for, or I don't want to show my ads for these type of queries, because again these are broad search queries. They are usually used by people just for information's sake, and it's not essential that they'll always be interested in taking your services. Short sale real estate agents, this is good, because a person who is looking to short sale their home, they'll be using these kind of search queries. So short sale in real estate, again this is broad query. Short sale real estate agent name, this is perfect query that I want to target. Okay, short sale real estate. Now I don't want to go with that, although it's sell, but still I don't want to go with that. Short sale home for sale, again this is query used by buyers and not sellers. Short sale versus foreclosure, a broad query. Selling house short sale, again this is not good. What is the short sale on a house? I don't think, again this will be a target audience. Mortgage after short sale, no. Short sale for a house, no. How do you short sell a house? This is quite close, but still I'll not choose it. Short sale house process, no. How to buy short sale house, no. Buying a short sale, no. Buying a short sale property, no. What is short sale on a home? Okay, so out of all these suggestions, I have selected these particular interest, which, and it also shows me the audience insight. Okay, so here you can see that I'm using the location as United States, but if you want, you can use a very target location, like for example, if I want, I can choose Los Angeles County. Let me try if it's showing me any region. No, it's showing me only the countries, not the specific regions. So English and campaign type, Okay, campaign type will be, although I'll be using the search at campaign, but still let it remain all. Now weekly impressions that are approximately 1 billion to 5 billion. Gender, okay, it says that the gender is like there are for this particular interest there are around 52% females who show interest in these kind of searches. Age group, okay, again this is kind of, this tool is quite similar to audience insight Facebook audience insight tool. So here I can see that this particular age group is showing more interest in these kind of searches. And parental status, non-parents are showing more interest. Topics, okay, now the people, the audience visit websites related to these topics. Okay, so I can save this audience as one of the custom audiences which I can target anytime. So in the similar way you can create different custom audiences for different kind of interest having with the audiences. Okay, so I hope the video is quite clear to you by now. Thanks for being with me.